Hi guys, y'all, I have found the perfect Chinese takeout wing recipe. It tastes just like the restaurant, you guys. So to make the batter, you're going to take a little bit of all-purpose flour, a little bit of cornstarch, 1 egg. You're going to add in some sesame oil. Next, you're going to add in some Shaoxing wine. I think that's how you pronounce it, Shaoxing wine. It's a Chinese cooking wine. I found it at my local Asian mart. You're also going to add in some soy sauce, a little bit of salt, some sugar, onion powder, garlic powder. You're going to add in some black pepper, some garlic salt, and I also added in a little bit of smoked paprika. You're going to whisk this together. Now I did add in a few spices myself because it definitely needed a little bit more flavor, but this is a great recipe. So next you're going to add in your chicken wings. You want to make sure your chicken wings are nice and dry. And then we're going to toss the wings in the batter. Now this batter is a super thin batter. If it's too runny, you can add a little bit more cornstarch or flour, but it's going to be a thin batter, you guys. So next you're going to let this marinate for 2 hours at room temp. If you want to let it marinate overnight in the fridge, that's fine. But before you fry it, just make sure it's been sitting for 2 hours at room temperature. We're going to bring our oil up to 350 and we're going to fry our wings for about 5 minutes. As you can see, they're already nice and crispy. Now after 5 minutes, we're going to take our wings out and we're going to let them drain. My first batch I cooked for about 5 minutes, and the second batch I cooked for about 6 minutes. That's why they're a little darker. So we're going to let our oil come back up to temp, and then we're going to fry these for a second time for about 3 minutes. Now they will brown pretty quickly, so you do want to watch them and make sure you're flipping them. You guys, these wings are so crispy and light and juicy and tender and just moist. These wings are so good, you guys. I like to eat them with some sweet Thai chili sauce and a little bit of sriracha. This recipe even works well in the air fryer. They're so good, you guys. Yum.